it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today what we're going to be looking at is drawer number 3 on the Birchbox Advent Calendar. Okay then, so in here we have a Rituals product and it is the Ritual of Ayurveda, the Ancient Art of Living Wisely, and it's a hand balm scented with Indian rose and sweet almond oil. Now this product is just a sample size, it's not a full size item, so you know it's not gonna last forever, but I think there's a decent-ish amount in there. Now the full size item of this costs £9.50 and in there you get 70 mils. So I think this makes this about, I did figure it out earlier, about £1.35. So, you know, not too bad, not too bad. It's not maybe the best of the value in the Advent calendar, but you know, it's not a bad little size. And you know, Rituals are a really, really nice brand. I do really like them. Okay, so this one is a hand balm and it says it is a soothing hand balm. So it should be really nice on our hands. My hands are a little dry at the moment because of the cold weather. So I'm just gonna try this thing on for you and we will see what I think. Although I did have a little sniff in my previous Feel Unique Pick a Mix service. So if you're interested in that, go and check that video out. I will pop it in the little eye up there. Is it up there? No, is it up there? I think it's up there. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit on my hand. And it doesn't feel like there's a load gone out of there. And I think I've got a decent little amount here. Okay, so just to rub that in then. Straight away I think you can feel that it's not necessarily a cream, if you know what I mean, but it doesn't feel like sticky or anything. It does feel really nice and it's drying in really quickly. I feel like you could, you know, go on to like use things and grab things afterwards. You know, like some hand creams feel really greasy sometimes. This one doesn't at all. It does feel like, well, actually a soothe my hand, I think is a good word actually for what they said it would do. Yeah, they don't feel as like dry and brittle, but I do feel like I can pick things up and it's not going to leave a greasy mark. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but there isn't a greasy mark on there. So that's really nice. It means, you know, you can just pop it on the go, and this is a fantastic little size for a handbag. So I think that's really useful, you know, on the go, like I say, and you can just carry on driving your car or, you know, writing something at work, eating your lunch or whatever, and you won't feel like your greasy hands are all over it. So I really like this product. Like I say, I am a fan of the Rituals range, so I think that is really, really nice. So just a short one really, there's not much more I can say or do about a hand cream. So guys, as ever then, please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe because there'll be another Advent calendar unboxing of drawer number 4 tomorrow. And until my next video, thank you very much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye bye.